Just when people thought Pi was just a sleeping giant waiting to roar. Boom! The roar has begun, and it's shaking tables across Africa, Asia, and Latin America. We're now stepping into a whole new era where you're not just holding Pi coin, you're spending it. That's right, no more someday. It's happening now. You can now literally power up your house, load up your phone, grab internet data, and even pay for transport, all using Pi coin. This isn't a dream, it's real, and it's live on the open mainnet through a new decentralized app built just for you. Booster. And the best part? It's so smooth it feels like the crypto version of swiping your card at the supermarket checkout. Let me ask you something. If you could pay your monthly bills, top up your phone, or recharge your Uber credits using Pi, would you? Better yet, have you already done it? If yes, how did it go? Tell me in the comment section below. And hey, if this is your first time hearing about this Booster app and what it means for our global Pi community, check out my previous videos, links in the description. To get caught up on everything from the Pi Network mainnet launch to KYC updates and migration tips. Drop Pi Network to the moon along with your country name in the comments to let me know where you're watching from. And please, show some love by liking this video, sharing it, and smashing that subscribe button. That's how you help this channel grow and keep the Pi energy flowing strong. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram group and Facebook page to stay connected 24/7 with our Pi fam worldwide. Quick reminder, this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, not financial advice of any kind. Alright pioneers, let's get started. Ever felt that tingle in your gut when something big finally starts to unfold before your eyes? That was the vibe sweeping across the Pi Network community recently when Booster launched. This isn't just another random app tossed into the ecosystem. No, this one's a game changer, an actual bridge between your digital Pi coin and the real-world services we use daily. After all the waiting, the theorizing, and the anticipation, we now have a functional, global-ready dApp that's giving utility to Pi in ways we've been dreaming of for years. Booster has officially made it possible for you to use Pi coin to buy mobile airtime, pay for electricity, load up on internet data, and even access transport services in multiple countries, and not just in one corner of the world. This is happening in places like Nigeria, India, Brazil, Kenya, Indonesia, and the list is growing fast. It's no longer about, what can I do with my Pi? The better question is, what can I do with it? Let's break this down into what it feels like to actually use the Booster app. You're chilling at home, maybe your data is running low. You fire up the Pi browser, open Booster, select your country, choose your mobile provider, punch in your number, pick how much data you want, and pay with Pi straight from your Pi wallet. Boom! Within seconds your phone is topped up. No bank, no fiat, no middleman, just Pi. That's not just cool, that's revolutionary. It's the kind of smooth, seamless experience that makes you realize crypto can actually serve the average person. And the reactions from the Pi community? Absolutely buzzing. One user posted, "Just topped up my data with $Pi, who said that Pi would not go places?" Another said, "Tried it and it worked perfectly, Pi Network is smooth ASF." It's like watching a community that's been holding its breath finally exhale in excitement. These are real stories. Real users, real experiences. This isn't a testnet simulation or a vague promise of what's to come. This is real utility unfolding right now. But it gets better. It's not just about phone credit and electricity. Booster is also enabling users to purchase gift cards, game credits, transport recharge cards, and more with Pi. Let that sink in. The Pi coin sitting in your wallet can now power your daily life, from recharging your Uber account to giving a tourist easy internet access in a foreign country, all without needing to swap SIMs or worry about roaming charges. That's the kind of future we've been building toward. A world where Pi is no longer potential, it's practical. And look, with great power comes great responsibility. This is the open mainnet, and it's a whole new level. That means while we enjoy the ease and speed of using Pi for payments, we also need to stay sharp, especially when it comes to security. Your Pi wallet is non-custodial, meaning only you have access to your keys and passphrase. And here's the deal, if someone tricks you into sharing your passphrase, that's it, there's no undo button. Blockchain doesn't do refunds. So here's a crucial reminder, only access your Pi wallet through the official Pi browser and make sure the URL is exactly wallet.pine.com. Nothing more, nothing less. It's like your Pi home. If it doesn't look like home, don't go in. The real Pi wallet has a purple navigation bar and displays the core team's logo clearly. That's your visual green light. Sadly, there are scammers out there trying to build fake versions of Pi wallets, hoping to trick unsuspecting users into giving up their passphrases. They use fake websites, fake apps, fake emails, and even social media to spread these traps. Don't fall for it. No one from the Pi Core team will ever ask for your passphrase. They won't DM you, they won't call you, and they definitely won't ask you to input any sensitive information outside the official ecosystem. If you ever get an email asking for verification, check the sender. Official Pi emails only come from addresses like noreply@pi.email. Anything else is suspect. And if you're ever in doubt, visit the Pi Safety Center. It's your go-to place for verified information, links, and security alerts. Think of it as your Pi armor in the wild west of crypto. Now let's zoom out a bit. What we're witnessing with Booster isn't just another dApp going live, it's the early signs of Pi's long-term value play. It shows that the Pi economy isn't just about hodling or price predictions, it's about building real use cases. It's about migration to the mainnet finally bearing fruit. Yes, Pi KYC issues still exist, yes, some people are facing migration delays, but apps like Booster prove that progress is being made and utility is leading the way. And speaking of price, don't think for 1 second that this kind of real-world usage won't influence Pi Network price prediction trends. Every time a new use case emerges, every time another dApp goes live, every time someone chooses to spend Pi instead of fiat, it pushes us one step closer to widespread adoption. So, the next time you see someone search Pi price today or Pi Network Binance listing, just remember, the real value isn't just in a number, it's in the movement, the momentum, the mission. So let's wrap this up. Booster is live. Real Pi coin can now be used to pay electricity bills, recharge your phone, buy data, transport credits, and more, especially across Africa, Asia, and Latin America. It's fast, easy, and part of our growing open mainnet ecosystem. This is utility, this is progress, and this is exactly why we believed in Pi in the first place. We're not just holding coins anymore, we're living the crypto future. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button, share it with every pioneer you know, and subscribe to this channel. That's how we grow, and that's how we keep bringing you more breaking news, Pi updates, and real-world stories from across the network. Here's a final question for you. Have you used the Booster app yet? What did you pay for using Pi? Or if you haven't tried it yet, what's the first thing you'd like to buy with Pi Coin once it's live in your area? Drop your answers in the comments below. And if you have any questions, issues, or experiences to share, the comment section is wide open. Let's help each other grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.